Alright, so now we can cover module methods. And to put it simply, a module method is something that can be accessed anywhere throughout your entire system, so to speak. Okay, but to make a method for a module, it's sort of a little bit different compared to your class methods and your normal methods over here, in that I cannot type in relevant method and then use it. So if I was to go down here and type in cool and then relevant method, and we'll put _box _ p in here, p called. Now click OK and then we play it. Hooray! Error. Well, damn. And why was that? Well, it's pretty simple. Because modules do not make methods the exact same way that other classes make them. Instead, just in front of your method, you have to type in self.relevant method. Okay? And that's only for modules. So go into it. Hooray! Called. No issues whatsoever. Alright, so it's a good idea to know how to use module methods, because if they can be accessed from anywhere, it can save you a lot of code that way. Modules are also used for up here for their vocab and stuff, and see they have their own methods as well. And sound has it too, so play system sound and yep, and cache and data manager and C manager and battle manager. To be honest, you should know how to create methods for modules, because you'd probably need to use it for your C manager and your battle manager when you want to rewrite some classes and that, because these are modules and they're not just classes on their own, which means that basically you will have to use module aliases to access this. So in that sense, and I forgot my parentheses. So in that sense, module methods, if they can be accessed anywhere. So if I was to change this to relevant method called, yep, and I just grab this and I go up to, I'll get rid of it there. I go up to scene. Let's go scene map. Put it there, and as soon as we start a new game, we'll see relevant method called. Hooray! Relevant method called. So even though this is above the module, it still works. Okay, so that's how you make a method for modules, and they can be accessed anywhere. The only difference between methods in modules and normal ones is you have to put self dot the method name. Okay, so if I want to make more, I'd have to go def self dot etc. and then end, because it's the exact same in that sense, and then I can put code go here, and that's exactly how it works. Now the best part about modules is in using methods and modules is I don't have to go call colon boolean. If I want to make something in here, I can literally just go if boolean, because since that's local to here, this knows what boolean is, whereas this one kind of like what the hell is boolean, so you have to put in call in front of it. Okay, so yep, simple stuff like that. Oh, if boolean's equal to true. So simple stuff like that, and that's how you make methods in modules and how you can use them in other places. It's really just the module name plus the method name, and you can use that anywhere after it's initialized. And to explain what it's initialized is when you start the game. So when I click on play here and I go yes, at that moment, just before you see hooray, it goes down here and it goes there, and it keeps going down and down and down, and it initializes everything one by one. Okay, until it gets to here. So if I was to put let's grab this. We don't need that. If I was to go up here and type in cool relevant method, it will throw me an error. Uninitialized constant cool, because this is being called just before this is created. Okay, so this is a global space, as we already know. So if I was to get rid of it here and then go put it here, put it here, just for now. Okay, since this doesn't actually get called until we actually go inside that class into the map and walk into something, this will have been created at that point. So this was being called right before it goes up to the next script and initializes cool, the module. Okay, so play it now. Welcome to the wall. Relevant method called. And we do not need it anymore, so I can get rid of it, since I don't want that in my script. And really, that's all there is to module methods. So you got that down, you're all sweet.